What is up, XRP community? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me. I want to talk about why crypto is slumping a little bit down today. Some updates on exchange traded funds, ETFs. The Ethereum ETF went live today. Some massive whale movement on XRP, and an ex-Goldman Sachs hedge fund investor on what you need to do this cycle and mistakes you should avoid. But first off, I want to leave with this great little short of Brad Garlinghouse being asked, is XRP the next Bitcoin? Take a listen.
Ripple could be the next Bitcoin?
Well, I think if we're solving a real problem and it's at scale, then I think it's a compliment. I think the most important thing that is going on in crypto is understanding what is real and what is just hype. The excitement around digital assets is because I think you're solving a real problem. From the get-go, Ripple has worked with regulators, and we have worked with regulated institutions like banks where there isn't regulatory uncertainty. And so we have found that part of the reason why XRP has performed well is because people realize, hey, wait a minute. Back to your question, is XRP the next Bitcoin? If we work with the system to solve this problem, and we can solve that problem at scale, a problem measured in the trillions of dollars, then there's a lot of opportunity to create value in XRP.
All right, so he said it best there. We covered this yesterday, guys. There was rumors that Jamie Dimon was going to be the U.S. Secretary potentially under Trump, or maybe even Larry Fink, the BlackRock CEO, two very powerful guys. Trump has squashed all this. In a July 23rd post on Truth Social, he said neither Dimon nor Larry Fink was part of his plans for a potential cabinet if he is victorious in November. He says, I don't know who said it or where it came from, but I never discussed that or the thought of Jamie Dimon or Larry Fink for Secretary of the Treasury. So it's good to see that. Now, Larry Fink, BlackRock CEO, is pretty bullish on crypto. However, Jamie Dimon is not the kind of guy I would want as the Treasury Secretary. Same with Larry Fink. We can't keep putting these big traditional finance players into government roles because they have extreme biases and they act in the best interest of their funds. So why did Bitcoin have a little bit of a slump today? Well, Mt. Gox, the crypto exchange, the original Bitcoin exchange that went down and everyone lost funds, billions of dollars of Bitcoin, today's value. Today they paid out 3.2 billion of Bitcoin to creditors who lost their money, 47,000 Bitcoins. So whenever there's massive outflows like this, some people are definitely going to be selling. It's just a lot of sell pressure. But the good news is, I believe Mt. Gox is now close to 50% of paying back creditors. And the faster Mt. Gox pays back everyone their Bitcoin, the faster there will be less sell pressure on the entire crypto market, which is good. Now, on the flip side, some of these people could be selling their Bitcoin when they get it from Mt. Gox and going into altcoins with more potential, things like Ethereum and XRP. Probably a good point for me to talk about this right here. Now, I am going to just, this is in German, so I'm going to just speak on the subtitles. But this is a German hedge fund investor on the news comparing the charts of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, and specifically talking about why the XRP chart looks way different than these other coins right now. And if you guys want to support the channel, the best way, just hit the like button. It's free. I genuinely appreciate it. And leave me some positive or negative feedback in the comment section below. So he says the pressure is coming to a head here, and he points to the XRP chart. And of course, everyone is hoping for a breakout. And it doesn't have to be a 40x breakout like back in 2018. A 20x would be enough for me because then you're somewhere between 8, 9, and 10 US dollars, which is really realistic. And that wouldn't be bad. That's something you can hope for. And wait, that's something too. What I do mean is it really just depends on the perspective from which you derive the joy or hope. Yes, well, you have to say that Ripple positions itself differently than these two charts, points at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes, the two are broad. We said a million coins and tokens have been issued on Bitcoin and Ethereum since April. That's a completely different clientele who want to present themselves as full ranges for corporate customers and institutional customers. I'll just wrap it there. But essentially, he's just identifying how much different the XRP chart looks compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin's sitting right by all-time highs. Ethereum's sitting right by all-time highs. Solana's sitting right by all-time highs. XRP, on the other hand, is one of the few tokens that is not. Another bullish day for institutional investors. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF records its single biggest inflow since March at 523 million. The BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF has witnessed over $500 million of inflows on the same day. A flurry of spot Ether ETFs got the nod to begin trading in the United States. A rising tide raises all ships. I know this is an XRP channel, but it's always bullish when Bitcoin goes up, because that brings more market cap, more money into the crypto ecosystem, and people are going to start betting on other coins that have a lot more potential, like the Ethereums, like the XRPs of the world. And right here, you see the XRP chart, how bullish it looks. Zoom in on this. You can see you've had consolidation for 7 years now, and XRP continuously is respecting this blue range. This blue range right here is what used to be resistance all the way back in 2014, when, if they extended this line a bit, when XRP had its initial big impulse. So you can see here, this used to be a resistance level, now it's a support level. And it only can bounce off the support level so many times. And you're seeing XRP, I'd say by 2025, in the $5 to $20 range. I really do believe that. And last week, whales are doing massive buys on XRP, kind of speculating on what I was just saying. I believe smart money is going to start rotating out of Bitcoin as it is at all-time highs and getting into coins that have higher value propositions, higher potential returns. It's something like XRP, you know, it's a perfect option for them. Reputable team, they know it's not a rug pull. It actually solves a problem, unlike what Bitcoin was supposed to do. Ethereum, it does solve a problem. Smart contracts are very innovative. But like I was saying, Ethereum is already near its all-time highs. And in the past week, whales bought over 140 million XRP, valued at approximately 84 million. What is classified as a whale? That's anyone with 1 million tokens to 10 million tokens. So anywhere from $500,000 to $5 million of XRP, you're classified as a whale. If you are a whale, good for you. I think it's going to be really fruitful for you in the future. And now I want to play this clip from the ex-Goldman Sachs investor. His name's Raoul Paul, talking about what you need to do this cycle to get things right and what you should not be doing.
Don't fuck this up. You know, buy and hold. Don't use leverage. Use cold storage. Do the right thing. Don't get too speculative. Don't FOMO. Just don't fuck this up. This is the biggest opportunity we've ever been given. I've said that all the way from 2020 onwards, and in fact, I said it all the way back in 2012. It's the biggest macro trade of all time. Don't fuck this up. And if you're not a crypto person, technology is one of the biggest opportunities we've ever been given, the exponential age. Again, don't fuck this up. Just be careful. Just buy, hold, have a long-term time horizon, and learn how to take pain. And when there is pain, you buy more. Unless something changes the thesis that suddenly we're all going to turn into Neanderthals and nobody's going to use technology ever again, it is going up. It's as simple as that. And unless something changes that we're not breaking the financial system and that the internet has disappeared, we will go to blockchain technology. It's as simple as that. That's all you need to know.
Some good advice from Raoul Paul, ex-Goldman Sachs investor. He mentions cold storage. If you guys do want to support the channel, I have a link to Ledger cold storage wallets. It's what I use. I have one of each of these. Really good wallets. And if you do buy through my affiliate link, I get a little bit, like $10 or something. So if you don't have a cold storage wallet, you definitely should if you have anywhere over $500 of crypto, in my opinion. And yeah, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. Until next time.